So I want to get a chance to just let everybody know when I'm getting my supplies ready to go. There's only a certain kind of bottles that I typically like to use when I'm cleaning houses. Look at that. I got my own label on my disinfectant cleaner for the house. Got to look professional. But look at that. It's kind of hard to see, but Zep bottles. I get these from Home Depot. You can order them online through the company. But these bottles are fantastic. Reason why is they got a lot of spray to them. They're very, very durable. These things last me for years. You don't want to get those little flimsy ones or the ones from the Dollar Tree. Man, those things suck. These things are going to save you time and effort. You get a lot more spray action with these. You can tighten them. The gun form, you can go ahead and make it like a stream jet. You can make it like a spray. Take a look. It's a great idea. Go get yourself some. This is how I do it. Just kind of showing you my setup in my car. I got a Honda Accord right here. This is how I do it. I got 2 step stools right here. I got my refill caddy right there. I got my vacuum in the front. Behind it, I'm all organized. Look, I got my, it's kind of hard to see, but I got my Swiffers right there with my brooms. I got 2 caddies ready to go. I got a bathroom bucket. I keep at least 5 all cleans. I keep about 4 to 5 degreasers. I keep some wood cleaner. I keep some bleach. I keep some CLR. I keep some orange glow. Bam! That orange glow, man, that shit shines stuff so good. Awesome. So I just want to give you guys a little heads up, a little word of advice. This is going to be fantastic. Get yourself some Zep bottles, okay, for cleaning products. It's fantastic. I would say don't waste your time. It took me a while to figure that out. Also, just kind of getting you guys some info here. Lime Away. This stuff's awesome. If you can get this a spray bottle, this is what's cleaning all that hard water, lime deposits, gets that stickiness from your shower nice and smooth and clean. Be using those magic squares. I don't know if I have any. My other videos talking about the Goo Gone for stickiness. That's great right there. But yeah, I don't know if I got some magic squares. Let me take a look if I got some magic squares. Yeah, look at that. Of course I do. I got magic erasers here. I get them from Dollar Tree. Those are awesome to set up, okay? So those are gonna help you with pretty much anything you can wipe. You're wiping those countertops. You're wiping those showers, getting anything off, getting stickiness off. That stuff's fantastic. I also like to use the Lysol Power Gel Cleaner. This stuff, you know, there's some different brands and stuff that smell really, really good. I've actually learned I don't like the cheap stuff, and I don't like stuff that has bleach in it. This one doesn't have the bleach set up in it. I noticed the bleach one will leave the blue residue in the toilet, so that's not good. Plus also bleach doesn't mix well with other cleaners. You know, if you're using CLR or the Lime Away, literally mixing bleach and acid, that's not good. That's no bueno. But this is also this is a fantastic Zep bottle. This bottle right here is going to go ahead and get you a lot more. These are great. I use these for like the shower spray. It's a little extra in the shower. Use it for floor if I'm covering a lot of floor coverage. These bottles are bigger. Take a look. I'm going to go ahead and put that right there. And I'm going to go ahead and put this one right here so you can see the difference. I'm just kind of doing this on the fly. I think I wanted to show you guys just the difference there. Don't waste your time. Go get these. Spend a little bit more money. Don't go to Dollar Tree. You're going to be hurting your hand, and they're not going to be as durable. It's not going to be as good. But like I say, dustpan, couple step stools, you got your vacuum. You know, to be honest, I do like the Bissell. The Bissell's good. The Eurekas are awesome. I just want to give you guys some tips. This is good oven spray. This is good for sticky cabinets, ovens, even showers and things like that. I'll go through more detail on that. But I just want to let you guys know. Let's go ahead and get it.